In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Tally, so forms anywhere. First, head over to Tally.so and either create a new form or open one you've already made. Before you embed anything, make sure the form is fully published and ready to share. That part is important because if the form isn't published yet, it may not display correctly when you place it on your site or inside another platform. Once your form is open, go to the top right corner of the form editor and click Share. This opens the sharing menu where Tally gives you several ways to distribute or embed your form depending on where you want it to appear. From here, choose the embed type that fits your needs. A standard embed places the form directly on a web page, which is ideal if you want the form visible right away. A pop-up embed opens the form in a pop-up window, while a pop-up slider brings it in from the side of the page. A popover works well if you want the form to open only after someone clicks a button or link. There's also a full page embed option if you want the form to appear as its own dedicated page. Pick the one that best matches the experience you want for your visitors. After selecting your preferred option, click Copy Code. Tally will generate the embed snippet for you, and this is the code you'll paste into your website or page builder. If you're embedding it on a regular website, open your site editor and add a custom HTML block or code section. Paste in the Tally embed code, then save and publish your changes. Once the page updates, the form should appear there. If you're using WordPress, open your dashboard and edit the page or post where you want the form to live. Add a custom HTML block, paste the embed code, and then update or publish the page. For Notion, the process is a little different. Instead of using the full embed code, copy your Tally form link. In Notion, type /embed, paste the form URL, and then click embed. The form will display directly inside your Notion page. If you're working in Webflow, add an embed element to the page, paste in the Tally embed code, then publish your site and check the live version to make sure everything looks right. Tally forms can also be embedded in platforms like Card, Framer, Squarespace, Wix, Shopify, Ghost, Kajabi, ClickFunnels, and custom HTML websites. In most cases, these platforms support either HTML embed code or iframe embeds, so the setup is usually very similar. Finally, always test the embedded form after adding it. Open the page, submit a test response, and confirm that the form loads properly, responses are being collected, any redirects or integrations work as expected, and the layout looks good on mobile. That final test helps make sure your form is fully functional before real visitors start using it.